Hi everyone, I want to welcome you all especially to this week's weekly review. It's been an amazing week as we also had some challenges with the previous week. No much opportunities. The war has caused so much instability in the market. Some pairs are moving either too fast or some are moving either too slow, causing a lot of manipulations. So it's not the normal market, and for a professional trader, except you don't know what you're doing, you choose not to take some kind of entries because you're going to find different kind of charts. You're going to find them moving in some direction that are not too clear. So I'll take you straight to the chart. I'll show you a few things with regards to what I'm saying. Then you see why I didn't take these trades. Okay, so we're going to be reviewing. We're going to look at what the market may look like in the coming week, and we can know what exactly to trade in the coming week. Let me take you straight to the chart. Funny. This is CHF. Okay, this was the first one I anticipated, and so I was not available when that took place. And this was the second one I anticipated, and I didn't take any of these trades because I've stopped, setting buy orders or buy limits. All I prefer to do is I would love to see the confirmation once it's there. I prefer market execution. I want to be able to control my market trade. You can see so funny. So choppy charts and price moved upward, and just crashed. No, this is not the market you should be trading. Now for new beginners, it will look like you don't know what you're doing, but no, it's not about you. It's about the market. Just look at the dollar index. This massive. It's massive. I just knew that just to save the dollar, they're going to keep pushing it upward, so you can see what they have really truly achieved. Just keep pushing it upward. Keep pushing it upward. You see, not reacting to any of these zones. So, but it's fine. The massive imbalance just already tells us what we can do with the retracement. So once we start getting the bearish retracement, we'll start buying other pairs that are directly proportional to it. Silver, choppy chart as well. So though I can see bearish moves. There was a time I said I was going to be expecting something. Okay, this was it, right? And it didn't play as expected, so I didn't want to take it at all. And then we have for crypto, we have Ethereum. Okay, I was expecting a buy on Ethereum. So you can see, take for instance, I traded this. Can you see how it could just smash the stop loss? But though it was a buy, and it's been buying massively until this bearish retracement. But this is majorly why I was not in the chart. Tesla, I think I was talking about it going bearish. Can you see? You see that? So this is a market you must be very much careful to trade. Then we talked about US 30. Expecting that once it takes out this low, we're going to find bearish entries. Okay, so US 30 quite played well, but I was really looking. The dollar index and the JPY forms my major pairs. So once they don't give me what I want, most times I'd like to just stay out of the market. I don't even look at any of them. So this is the JPY. Oh, this is nice. I didn't see this coming. I didn't really trade JPY because it didn't give me what I wanted. It kept crashing bearish. And if you look at GJ, let's see, kept expecting the bearish move. It never did happen. Charts were just choppy. Then we have the GBP. So what you're going to do in the coming week as we review this is you're going to try as much as possible to stick to your strategy. Okay, GU wonderfully just played this. Though I didn't take it, I was waiting for it, and it initiated when I was not trading. So what I do is I stick to time zones, okay, because that's where there's good volatility to trade and the charts could move. Then I stick to my confirmation signs, if I don't find them, I won't trade. Okay, so most times now, if I find them outside time zones, I actually don't even trade. So because of I don't want to be the liquidity. So these are basically what we saw with CFD, crypto, stocks, and the forex markets. And for synthetic, we didn't really get any entry. Like you don't know, the JP, the jump moved, the volatility 25 moved. So just focus on the weekly analysis, because I'll be giving you more updates so that you can prepare for the new week. So that will be basically all. There's not much to say about. I hope you've been able to see reasons why you stay out. When you see the opportunity, you come in. This way you save yourself a lot of stress, a lot of losses. There's some losses that are acquired not because you were wrong by your analysis or by your entry, but because you traded at the time you shouldn't have been trading. Trading outside the time you shouldn't be is most likely going to make you the liquidity, because the market has got to grab liquidity. That's where the money is. So make sure you stay in the market when you ought to, and make sure you stick to your rules. Don't break them. Don't be in a hurry to trade. There's always going to be an opportunity. See you during the weekly analysis.